This is the latest effort to combat one of Africa's most destructive diseases. Trypanosoma is a parasite that floods the bloodstream, causing victims to die a slow, painful death. It mostly affects livestock, but humans suffer from it too.
If our stock is sick, we can't make money. So far, there is no vaccine against the disease.
All attempts to get rid of the disease trypanosomiasis have so far failed. Until now. Health officials from the United Nations believe the solution is in the box. Inside are blood-sucking tsetse flies responsible for spreading the disease. But these flies are different. They were bred in Vienna at the International Atomic Energy Agency. The insects, still in their eggs, received enough radioactive radiation to make them sterile.
These insects will not be able to mate and reproduce. By preventing their offspring, this will eradicate the tsetse fly and the disease altogether.
This is a multi-million-dollar UN operation. During this 2-hour flight, every 20 seconds, a box of sterile flies is dropped. At this pace, scientists believe the tsetse fly in Senegal will be completely wiped out by 2016.
This almost feels like a military operation, and the United Nations believes it's a needed intervention to prevent diseases from spreading. But here's the catch. Scientists don't know what the eradication of the tsetse fly will do to the ecosystem.
We only know what they do on our animals, on our cattle, but we know very little on what's happening to the rest of the ecosystem. What is the role and function of those flies on the wildlife? Do they have a certain control or population control measure or not? We don't know.
But UN officials believe the benefits outweigh the risks, saying that if trypanosomiasis is eradicated, farmers will have healthier livestock and will no longer need to rely on handouts to survive. The plan is to expand the project all the way across the continent to Africa's eastern coast, an area over twice the size of the United States, home to a rich, unique, and fragile ecosystem. Nicholas Hawk, Al Jazeera, Thiès, Senegal.